Hello students, my name is Saidik Kumar Sharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. And we are planning that we should have some videos related to listening also. So in that context, we have already uploaded one video. If you have not watched that video, it will be there in the I button and you will getting the link on that on this video. And today we are going to discuss about the next part, that is from 11 to 20. So in this assignment, so there are some MCQs. So now we are going to discuss about that how MCQs are being done and what is the tips and techniques to do this. Okay, uh, the fundamental tip is this: when the speaker says that you have the time to read the questions, in that time, this is my personal experience, that students are not bothered about uh, reading. So kindly read and underline the keywords. For example, in this question, uh, the next event at the hotel will be at the hotel and event. These are the two important points for you. Important event as well as hotel. Trade, wedding and party. Trade, wedding and party. Okay. So in this case, how to solve this question? If you are listening to your audio clearly, then that's good. Otherwise, suppose in the discussion the person says about the party. Okay, party is done, and after that the person says about trade fair. Okay, it is done. Then there are 99% chances that answer is wedding, because this is my personal experience also. In most of the cases, the answer is always set at the last. Okay, so I request you that if you are listening clearly, that's fine. If you are not listening, suppose it is trade fair, okay, that is gone, wedding, that is gone. So our focus is totally on the party, right? This is the technique how we do the MCQs. Okay, coming to the next. The number of guests will be less than 50. Do you think they will say less than 50? No, they may say 48, 49, something. From 50 to 70, they may 79 or 89 or 99, or they may confuse you with the figures because they have written less than more. This is totally number of guests. So we are focusing only on the number 29, 49, 200, 207, whatever it is. So dear students, if we have the knowledge, if we have the IQ that on which topic we should focus or on which word we should focus, then only we are going to solve it. Okay. Guests will start arriving at. Guests will start arriving at 7:50, 7:30, 7:45. See, this question is not the first 10 questions. This question is 11 to 20. If the question is 11 to 20, so then we expect that we must know what is 7:50. They may say 7:30, and but they will say no, it is not 7:30. They will come 15 minutes before. So that means expect some calculations here. So there will be certain calculations which you have to do in your mind to solve this situation. Okay. The next is entertainment will be live band, comedian, musician. Entertainment will be A. He has given A, right? So our focus is on band, comedian, or musician. So in that case, again we will use the same tip. If they are coming first option is gone, second option is gone, and at the last they say that entertainment will be. So basically, the if I just have an idea, the entertainment is never by the band. So the most close answer can be comedian or musician. So magician also not a part of entertainment. So our focus will be on comedian because comedy is directly linked with the entertainment. I don't know what is the answer for this question, but if we use little bit of IQ, then it is very easy to solve it. So this is how we do it, your MCQs. So before moving to the next section, I again repeat, please listen to the questions, underline the keywords like here, event, hotel, guests, arriving, and entertainment, right? And if you are totally confused about this, so in that case, kindly listen to the first two options and mark the third one. Out of four, you at least you will get the 3 marks. Surely, it will come with this technique. Okay. moving to the next part, which is quite difficult and challenging for the students. How it is? Uh, who is responsible for the following jobs? Guest arrive. Okay. Choose the three answers from the box and write the correct letter. Please focus on this. Again, I request, please focus on this word letter. Letter means we need not to write the name. Sometimes they ask us to write the name, sometimes they ask us to write the letter. Most of the students think that they write the letter or they write the name, the significance is same. No, you will get your answers wrong it. Okay, so please read the instructions. If it is letter, write letter. If they want to write some words, so please write words. Now, how to solve this question? Very easy, very comfortable. Okay. Now, what happens generally when we get the time? Offer drinks. This is our keyword. Take guest quotes. This is another. And show guest where to go. So somebody showing the path. Somebody taking the quote of the guest. There are 5 different people. So they will talk about the 5 different events. So our answer is only for the 3 events. Okay. Now what student do actually when they listen to the drinks? Suppose we say that the drink is the guest. When the guest will be coming, the drink will be served by the olive. So what when we hear the word olive, okay, we try to find out where the olive is written, and after that we write the letter D. No, this is this. If you can do it, that's better. If your IQ and mind is so sharp, but in most of the cases, kindly forget about who is the person. Okay, if I am doing this thing, I'll keep my hand on it, and I just keep on listening and concentrating what of who offers the drink. They say the drink is offered by Monica, so I write MO. I write MO, right? Then they take the guess. Okay, that is Susan, so I write SU, and after that they say Ahmad, so I'll go for AH. Okay, I write in the short form. So instead of searching this question is very simple, but this type of questions are coming in your listening. In that case, student keep on struggling the same answer from they want the answer on the spot. No, my dear friends, you get at least 10 minutes to note down your answers, especially in your IELTS listening. So why to rush up? Why to go for that? Suppose the answer here is management. You are going to write the full management. So instead of that, write MA. Go for the short form. We all are using WhatsApp. We use a lot of shortcuts. Please use that language. Even in I am from Punjab, India. So I ask my student even to write in Punjabi. There is no problem. If Ahmad is not there, so you just write okay. If he is a Hindi student, write so that later on you come to know what is the thing. These names are very common. I can pick up, but there may be some complicated names in such questions. So why to struggle for this? Please have a hand on this. Forget about what is written there. You write this. Now in the first question, in the 15, the answer is Monica. So when we have 10 minutes, we will pick up E automatically. There is no. The problem, what I mean to say, please don't struggle at the same time because you are listening also, you are going to the next question also, you are struggling here also. Why to struggle here? There I don't find any single logic that we should struggle here. These are the very easy questions. But if you follow this technique and give me your comments also. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. We try to serve you the best videos, and lot of I buttons are coming on the top of this video. Please do watch those videos also and share with me what more videos you wanna see. So these type of questions we are going to do like it. Okay, the next question is 18 to 20. As we move forward, definitely the level of questions definitely going up. Okay, general instructions. Okay, they say no more than 3 words. We cannot use more than 3 words. So we cannot write any figure. We have to keep it in our mind. Okay. In order to get the guests to move to the restaurant, the hotel manager will. He will perform some task. He may welcome, he may instruct them, he may help them, he may offer a cup of coffee to them. So after will, there are chances that there is a verb, because will is always followed by verb. So there will be verb. So we have to just if just we have to just find out the word what manager is going to do as soon as the guests are coming to their restaurant. So what action he is going to take, that we have to keep in mind. Sitting plan will be placed on each table, and also in the very important question, the means the special article is used here. We all know that there are three articles, A, N or the. I will make one video and shoot it to you soon. The is written. The means it is a very specified information, very specified. It is not a common noun. The something special is going to come there, so we have to focus on that. And secondly, it is written in the. In the means they are going something inside. Okay, so we have to take care of after each table is given, number is given, everything is placed on there, and also in the something. Okay, that is very special. There will be a total of three. Total of three. What is total of three? So three is always followed by some noun. There will be three persons, there may be three events, there may be three dishes, there may be three tables. So our focus is only this. After your word listening to the three, you will get your answer. So dear students, this is the part 2 of your listening. Similarly, I will be discussing the part 3, again discussing the part 4. Whatever tips and tricks I know, I will be definitely giving to you. I only request you, if you like my videos, please subscribe to me and boost my videos and share with your friends, so that I keep you sending the wonderful videos for your success. And in this year, I wish if you listen to my videos, definitely you will grow, get your marks and settle your life abroad. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am waiting for your comments. Kindly comment me, kindly boost me up, kindly also motivate me, so that I keep on making the good thing for you. Thank you. Take care of you. God bless all. Take care. Bye bye.